students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and we are solving MSQE PEB Solutions 2025, and yes, we are at the last question. Finally, we have completed the question. So, it's 5B we are here. So, we'll complete with this of this series, and so let's quickly complete it. And if you're having any further explanation or you require anything, you can always contact us on the provided number. So, let's see here, we are being given a two-period utility maximization problem with the utility function being this one. So here it is being represented u is equals to, let's write it down. So here this is consumption in period 1. Then labor, again labor supply in period I. Similarly QI, that is 1 minus LI, that is leisure in period I. Wage of I, the time preference parameter, the time preference parameter. Okay. So now finally R is also being provided by interest rate. Okay. So now subject to the lifetime budget constraint, that is C1 plus C2 by 1 plus R is equal to W1 L1 plus W2 L2 by 1 plus R. Okay. So we have to first find the expression for the ratio of the optimal Q1 by Q2. First we will do this. So let's do it together. So we will form the Lagrangian first for this. So first we form the Lagrangian. Ln plus 2b root plus beta 1 plus R. Okay. So now we take first order condition with respect to C1 and C2. So with respect to C1, it will be 1 by C1 minus 0, or this is 1 by C1. And with respect to C2, it will be 1 by C2 minus 1 by 1 plus R is equal to 0, or by C2. Okay. So here, if we equate the two expressions from the two, then we get, so 1 by C1 is equals to beta 1 plus R by C2, or C2 by C1 is beta 1 plus R. Okay. And with respect to L1 and L2 we will find out also. So with respect to L1, it is minus 2b 1 by 2 root over 1 minus L1 plus, that is 0, or b is equals to, or b multiplied by 1 by root over 1 minus L1 is equals to this one. Again we will find out with respect to L2. So with respect to L2 minus plus is equals to 0, or 1 by root over 1 minus L2 is, okay. So the two equations with respect to L1 by L2, we will divide L1 by L2. So that is B by equals to, or 1 by beta is W1 1 plus R by W2. Okay. Now squaring both sides, what we will get? So we'll square both sides. Okay. Let's see what happens. So squaring both sides, we get by, that is by W2. Okay. Or Q2 by Q1 is beta 2 W1 1 plus R by W2 square. Okay. So then Q1 by Q2 is equals to 1 by V2 by W1 1 plus R square. Now the question arises, how does L1 vary with W2 by W1? Correct. So that is, from the equation above, you can see that higher, the more higher W2, W1 is, increases what? Q2 by Q1. Okay, meaning Q1 increases relative to Q2 and L1 decreases. Why? Because L1 is equals to 1 minus Q1. So if future wages become attractive relative to present wages, then the agent prefers what? More leisure today. Correct? More leisure today. And shifts labor supply to the second period. Okay? Now we will finally go with the second part and the final part. Let Q star be Q1 by Q2. That is 1 minus L1 by 1 minus L2. And W2 by W1 is W star. So, from earlier, Q star is Q1 by Q2. That is 1 by multiplied by 1 plus R square. Okay, now we will calculate elasticity of Q star with respect to W star. Okay, so then elasticity will be by, this reminds you of cross price elasticity, remember? So now we will differentiate. So then